In the living room, Bart proclaims a legendary prank to the gathering Springfield crowd tonight. Homer doubles over with laughter, yet worries about consequences anyone might actually enforce tonight anyway. Lisa stands at the window, lecturing about ethics while clutching a science project for class. Principal Skinner announces a school assembly, prompting Bart to flip his cap toward mischief today. The main prank centers on Grandpa's birthday cake maze inside the Kwik-E-Mart. Mr. Burns chuckles. Homer volunteers to supervise, promising donuts, while Lisa plans a backup ethical intervention for Bart. Moe's Bar becomes a chaotic rehearsal site, with patrons filming for The Simpsons channel tonight. Meanwhile, Krusty pops in, promising outrageous ratings if chaos goes viral across town and beyond. Ned Flanders volunteers a sermon-free intervention, offering coffee and neighborly advice during the spectacle outside. Homer's couch gag becomes a running joke as he trips over empty donut boxes repeatedly. Act 1 closes as Bart sneaks to the store, cueing the crowd's vanilla mischief tonight. The prank triples with a misread prop, a roller skating cake that rolls through town square. Bart directs the chaos from behind a cart, while Milhouse records for posterity on camera. Homer stumbles into the scene, mistakenly deputized by Chief Wiggum to maintain safety today anyway. Lisa interviews witnesses, weighing consequences against applause, highlighting ethical limits for Bart's growth and responsibility. Marge worries about family image while supporting Lisa's questions, preparing snacks, and calming nervous dogs. Springfield Square hosts a makeshift jury. Mr. Burns offers a charitable aroma of doubt today. Ralph chimes, "Me fail English?" That cake, triggering delighted groans and nostalgic callback from adults. Chaos erupts when cake slides into fountain, splashing everyone, including Principal Skinner's stern tie unexpectedly. Bart realizes his prank spiraled beyond control, eyes widening as the crowd roars agreement together. Homer argues with Lisa, each presenting conflicting consequences like a living debate clock in public. Marge mediates, pulling family apart, then reuniting over a spilled lemonade and tears of laughter. Homer confronts Mr. Burns, who reveals the prank was a cover for philanthropic mischief anyway. Chief Wiggum arrives with irony, arrests the cake, then releases him for community service today. The cake catastrophe becomes a fundraiser, turning the prank into a lemonade stand fundraiser downtown. The town organizes bake sale and fundraiser, with APU serving cupcakes, Carl counting donations together. Bart embraces responsibility, promising fewer pranks, while Lisa nods, satisfied yet hopeful for Springfield harmony. Homer commits to supporting Bart, even while muttering "Dio." The season finale joke persists here. The town applauds, credits roll showing familiar faces, everyone waves. Callbacks echo through streets tonight. Final scene returns to couch, family freezes, laughter erupts, and Springfield breathes easy, wiser together.